There are many places in Maya where you have to use multiple objects to create geometry. So let's take a look at some of that process. We're going to use a curve to guide and extrude. So I have a simple object here, which is a cup, and we want to create a handle for that. And that handle will be defined by this curve. Now, this is just a simple NURBS curve, and I'll show you how to draw those in just a bit. So just go ahead and use the curve here. Now, in order to do this, all I have to do is select the component I want to extrude and then select the curve. So the curve has to be selected last. So I'm going to right-click above the cup, select Face, and then pick the face that I want to extrude. And then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select the curve. Now notice how the curve is highlighted in green, and that's because it's the last item selected. So once we have these, all we have to do is do an Edit Mesh, Extrude, and we get something. Now by default, Extrude only has one division, and so what we have here is one division along an entire curve. So we need a little bit more detail here. So all I have to do is left click and drag up the detail until it looks pretty good. Now we also have a couple of other things. We have thickness, we also have offset, but I'm going to leave all of those pretty much at the defaults. There we go. So as you can see, we've got now a pretty nice handle for this cup, but it's still not attached down here. But we can do that using either a merge or a bridge.